Hi everyone, this is another small update on the TL project, seeing as it's been a while since the last one. The bike's now 90% complete, hence the reason why it's covered up, so the surprise doesn't get spoiled. But as per usual, the project has been held up by all the small details yet again. For example, the control cables I ordered months ago are all wrong. I don't know what bike they're for, but they certainly ain't from a TL. So, they will have to be returned and exchanged for the correct ones, hopefully, if they can get it right this time. As well as parts being wrong, now I'm at the final build-up stage. I'm finding out that most of the parts don't fit just quite right, as most of the parts have came from different years and models of TL. A prime example of this is the exhaust, which is here. I've had to cut open the rear silencer back box section, bring it in about 10mm, so take a section out of here, move it in, weld it back up, press it back to gain clearance for the frame and the rear shocker, as it was all fouling. And then once that was refitted, it was found out that the rear silencer, which is this portion, was fouling in the frame and the shocker as well, so that had to be chopped off, moved back and up slightly to gain the clearance. So once all that was done and dusted, I'd lost about a day's building time. So you can see how small hold-ups like this cost you a lot of time in the long run. But hopefully that's all the fighting the bike is going to do now, and we can crack on with getting the build finished and getting the video up for you guys to enjoy. And hopefully if the weather stays good, we'll be able to get out and get some footage playing on it. I'll go and then I'll give you a sneak peek. Are we ready? And that's all you're getting until the final episode. See you later.